Number 30 of the YouTube challenge. And today I want to show you the best lawyer website in the world. I have been shocked and amazed at how wonderful this website is, so I have to show you it off. It is the work product of Newsom Melton in Orlando, Florida, called brainandspinalcord.org, and it is simply fantastic. Now, you all know that with a typical lawyer website, you'd have their settlements, their verdicts, some testimonials. They're all the same. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. But this website, brainandspinalcord.org, is completely different because it has, number one, a great URL, brainandspinalcord.org. Here's the name of the law firm, but it is just full of resources. So everything that you'd ever want to know about brain and spinal cords, rehabilitation facilities, state by state brain injury, treatment centers by state. This is simply phenomenal that all of these resources would be available. They've got some nice video illustrations. So rehabilitation in New York State. If you have a brain injury over here, you get all this information, rehab in New York State. Why is this so wonderful? Because number one, it's resources. People come back to this over and over again because they need the resources that has information about all of the different rehabilitation facilities for brain and spinal cord injury victims in the state of New York, and that is fantastic. But it's all the states. There's a video library here, all the information. Some legal options is here as well. So information about what to do legally, rehabilitation facilities for brain injury, spinal cord, state by state, a physician directory, we have some physicians there, as well as lawyer directory. So whatever you need, it's basically here. All the resources that you'd want, as well as a blog, a video library. So nice videos explaining the 3 steps in finding rehabilitation facilities. This is simply awesome. Now, how do I know that this works for their firm? Because if you check the links, this website, brainandspinalcord.org, has links from major universities, rehabilitation facilities throughout the country that link to it, and that those links send a message to Google and the search engines that this is a very valuable domain, and there's tons of information. So with all the major universities connecting to this website, linking to this website, that gives it enhanced SEO value, although there's really probably a total of about 200 or 300 web pages here. They're chock full of great content. It is simply fantastic. So I want to show you something that I created just for New York State brain and spinal cord injury victims. It's a similar concept. It's called spinalcordandbraininjury.org, and it's got just basically resources for brain and spinal cord injury victims in this. So it's state by state. New York City, Long Island. You could select the region and get all the information about the different rehabilitation centers in New York City and Long Island for brain and spinal cord injury victims, information about the financial impact. So this is information that people could actually use. What is a special needs trust? 3 steps to take after your injury. Benefits of having dual eligibility for Medicare and Medicaid. Basically all the stuff that you'd need to know. How do you apply for Social Security? Health coverage for spinal cord injury. When you have a family member with a brain injury or spinal cord injury, they want solutions. They're not looking immediately just to hire a lawyer. They want help. And so you put everything in there about Medicare, Medicaid, rehabilitation. And this could be somebody who suffers a brain injury or spinal cord for anything. It could be a construction wreck, it could be a truck wreck, it could be a train wreck. It doesn't matter because we handle catastrophic injury cases. And this website is geared to that type of client, somebody who needs information. And if they want to contact us, that's easy too. So there's information here that would allow somebody to contact us. But the beauty of this website is they wouldn't necessarily know that it's a law firm unless they read sort of the fine print. But there are ways for them to reach us, and there's tons of resources. So the beauty of this website is that it's about 95% valuable content and information, and only 5% is trying to solicit people to hire us as their lawyers. That is thinking that's so far outside the box, and I want to thank Rich Newsom and his law firm for brainandspinalcord.org because it is absolute genius, and I really do think that this is the model of the perfect lawyer law firm. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to send you a daily video every single day with our best tips for marketing and managing a law firm. And if you click it, you will be notified by email whenever we post a new video. So I hope to see you tomorrow. Take care.